between now till 15th of next month or 16th of next month, Precious May 16, thank you very much, pretty. If Precious May no arrest my mother between now till, you see the grace where I give her, 1 full month now I give Precious May go. 1 full month. If you not arrest my mother, you are a bastard. If you arrest my mother, you will still be a bastard. So the best thing for you that to arrest my mother, so you will remain the bastard that you are. If you not do am, I gonna say, I gonna say shit better pass you. If you not do am, I gonna say shit, it better pass you. That's what I'm here for you. So I can't give you time limits. If between now till 16th, you know my joy, you have a parent. You get mama, you get papa. Precious me, I know they do my things online. Forget I be social media person. If I had not post that video where me and my boss stay there, you go see him. No. I don't do online things. That's why if people come close to me, they don't see my record play. They know as I say day. After they call me wish. Because some of your ass like boy, that back is up. By the time wish don't try to beat you, they don't fit, they'll leave you. They call you witch. You know fit know as I say day. I don't be mumu. I don't be you, you know fit be me. You know day now. When they day. Every 3 years now you want complete 50. Last year, 3 years ago, you'll be 50. This year, 3 years ago, you'll be 50. Una degree complete 40. I will happy say you talk so you don't even they go 50. Now, so she talk, Prissy, say one go, and if Precious May no do one. Ah, God. Precious May. People won't give you address. You know, shock you say, they get address. They get no back. For 13 years, they don't feel use and do anything. You know, shock you. Say for 13 years, where I take cause them everlasting pain. They have my mother's number. They have her address. They don't feel use them. It shock you. They couldn't make use of it. They didn't again. They couldn't make use of it. They don't feel use them. It no shock you. So if now you can't feel use them, I swear if I don't continue to celebrate to make I die. You say you want to arrest my mama, you want to waste my money. If you see total offer, me go see money spend. Bet me. If you see documents, take go Nigeria, me go see take go. Bet me. Bet me. It go be saying, they go say, I think say na joke. It go be film. For me, are you matter? You will able 100 but 1 year. I go for you to no bad nonsense. I go for you. I go chop witch for your matter. I go for you to no bad nonsense. No be sure be mama fly. You see the one where the Lolo, the Rita Kokobiri, the Monica, the Monica do you. See, it go be small. Well, say maybe because I dey look you because of your sister. Because your sister beg me. Say best for me I beg. No be you I beg. I look her face, I rest. Now you they come and they say, now me want to do friendship. Now then you forget and don't go. Now me want to do friendship. You say want follow call my name BMT. You want follow call my name. No be you now. No be you now. You wear your palo 3 fridge that day. May I dey post? See, make I tell you, Precious Meg, you are old enough to be my mother. But I go do you the Monica they learn work. They can't learn work. They all of them are apprentice. They go can't learn work for my hand. More bet. But I will not do all these things until you arrest my mother. So I'm pushing you to do it. Please guys, power tap for me. You self want follow saga. Mommy 3D. You self want collect your share. Small picking no medicine. Even adults no get sense.
Oh, my daddy take peace.
Everybody like daddy. Wait till they sleep with people husband. Everybody na Precious make daddy. If I have lose guard, I never want to talk until she arrests my mama. And if she really want me to talk, let her go ahead. She na DSS say you want something from Precious make I dare you. I dare you. If worse come to worse, I go enter Spakasi borrow money. More bets. If worse come reach worst, I go enter Spakasi. I go borrow money. More bets. You the Chris? As the Monica don't beat you rich, disgrace you rich. How many of them you fit drag? When you they tell me say this person don't they drag is not fit drag. They don't follow you since before I know you. Man, me rock back. I'm big. I take give you big peak. Now my tongue, you want to shoulder? Yeah, raise them now. May you see small where they pass mountain. Try them. You say they call, they make call for me. See ya. Now me they stress pressure, make wait pressure. According to
police arrest person. Now DSS I will take carry your mama. You go hey me make.
And your mama they be. Your mama they be. Why use DSS take carry my mama? What if you go for your mama? Agbo now go buy for area boys agbo. Try your best. Try harder. You don't need money with your toto alone. You fit do one. You no need them. Not they say na money I go spend. As you talk, say I go spend money. Use your toto. Precious Meg, use your toto. Gallant pig. Me no go carry DSS. Now me they tell you now agbo I go buy agbo. Me I play you. It dey record day. I be one go DSS. What they say you were on your own when I came.
I will do you shaky. I will do you shaky.
I know they do follow me fight.
Might come on me joyous. Even say
Agbagbe. Make they gotta beat am. See, if you notice these people, none of them feel come at say, oh yeah, now only they make with chestable. They must do group call. They must do WhatsApp call. They must do more gada do am. More gada do. I don't gada beat. I'm alone. I don't get crowd. I don't think they make friendship because I want pepper person. I don't have friend. For this footy talk, I don't get anybody with my friend. After they talk, I don't get. Say, you want gather beats. You need my mother address. You go ask me. If I don't send I give you, make I die. You need a phone number, I will give it to you. Since I entered this Europe, nobody don't call my mama, report my matter to my mother before. Say, you just there your own. No. Now, so me I can't come. Now, so me I can't say Ogungbera. You know they. I know they had my mother. Now me they post my mama. Now me they post my mother. If to say I no post her, you don't go see him.
yes.
You want come? I got a beat. Give me contact. You know, shock you say the person that they drag me as how many years we are not green answer. He get information, you know, if you use them. You know, shock you. Now they supposed to see you. Now get this information. Why not can use them? If the information legit, why not? You know, let me use. You know, see get sense.
Do you like it?
No, if he get sense. You want do more gada do. More gada do. Let us listen though carefully. May you see say for this Europe, once some women don't pass 40 years, they automatically they don't declare them say they know where. Especially this precious Meg. I never see person way useless with this woman. I have never seen. I never see.
Should call him. I called your other number.
Not be lie, yo. I never see.
I bet you'll say that for me. Because mommy Joyous gets her. Mommy Joyous gets her mother.
As you go get her, you don't use them. You not go for your ask, okay, you don't get her. Why you never use them? Oswald, because you don't use your brain. They play Ludo.
Even her mother number. Mommy Joyous gets her. Joyous gets her.
Una dey hear.
See, Esther first daughter, they talk to her. If you're not there, can raise her, look.
People when they talk to me, they hang my picture. I never sit down for you reply them. Talk more of who they beat around the bush. Now me walk they say, "Oga talk better. Oga talk be here." Me, do you think I'm stupid? Precious Meg, according to you, I'll be 29 years. Bravo. You were once 29. If don't be say you fail, I not supposed first you born. If don't be say Asha will not let you live, I not supposed first you born. If not be abortion, you supposed to born my mates. I get sense. Even when you drag me for 10 years, I can decide not to reply you. That's me. I can decide to say I no go answer you. Make it fake bear. I know what Nella na so but it shock you say they reply you because I hear say you get power. I want to know where your power reach. I hear say you get connection. I don't feel go they talk with people when you go set. They go say you tell me now. I tell you. Now people like you. I hear say you get power. Your connection tight. You match your God. I want to know how you. I want to know how you take day. Now make now you have to do video for. Now make I they call your name when you don't call me out. I tell you say I not go answer you because of your sister. You call the sister. They share you. They crazy. You the Chris? You the Chris?
You do like say you don't see him. Agbona boy.
Agbona boy baby ne.
You
not rie. I decide not to answer. Yes. It shock you say that you the reply. It shock you. You too brag. You see, and I say no fear answer me for TikTok. After this video now, all the bere, I go see Copella. You the Chris. Now let me be 29 years old girl when they stress 57 years old woman. Not me. Now wow. Your personality where they look you, Your personality where they look you, they go look you now. They see and say that small picking they make you Chris. Now so you know not. Okay, the one when she and the rest they do they be age group. They be skip on my room.
They chop shit since yesterday. Because she didn't believe say nobody they fit do anything. She go call Dion, make them go say now.
So me go call Dion. He say he want Dion. He want Dion. What he call me consign Dion? When you they leave who marry me for us, go they tell Dion. will not be my husband if you are not foolish. If you are not as useless as they describe you, precious Meg. If you are not the real pig that they described you to be, why calling Dion? Who am I to Dion? Why calling the innocent man? According to you, say you warn him. Why warning him? Why? Why the warning? Coming from where? Why? How? Comment section. I bet Muna help me. Why the warning? Why?
Which kind about your kid with some? You where they deal with some?
Okay, now that can deal with whether I put picture for background. Your mama Toto, your papa Toto, Ogun Atogbera, Ogun Atogbera. Okay, now that can one. Ah, precious man, if that can one, you know, you let me know if I not reply you. Cause those on our children play with the color. Now that can one.
If you not better looking face, now me want to learn. Now say I want visit mama. I want visit mama. We not train away. So me mama.
You where your mama train where don't born bastard full everywhere. You born black, you born coke, you born Fanta. Your mama train you where now your Toto don't let you keep for one place. I shower. You where your mama train where pig now pig precious meg no zuo. Your mama train you where now you born scatter. Now you born scatter.
Me mama go answer some questions for Abuja because me I know the base for me.
Wait, no verse. This DSS so that they 30 people. No be una. Precious Meg, this DSS so they 30 people. So they do it for goat and fowl. Comment section beg, answer me. Police station or DSS. They do it for this DSS something so. They do it for fowl and goat. They do it for monkey. They do it for monkey and mosquito. I bet muna answer me. Comment section. They do government house for goat and fowl. This DSS, so when they create the what did they call it, the department, they do one for animal. Is it not made for humans like me and you? Is it not made for everybody? Everything we get breaths, every living thing, nobody they do DSS for. I don't know why I call this precious make tone. It can't be like I said the thing they do one for goat and fowl. All of a sudden, all of a namash, they not to that one. Person where me don't put for scale. Where am I? Can't like the way I put yesterday. I can't not throw the dirty. Precious make this one. This one. Precious Meg, if you call my mother for phone, yes, of course, every mother will tell you, oh, I don't send my picking, no verse. My mother will tell you. But if my mother can't tell you, come like that my mother make you not do what you want to do. Precious Meg, I better not call my mama. As far as they don't give you the address, fly your DSS from Abuja. May they go pick my mama up. You know whether my mother don't go Abuja before? If now you come make my mommy know Abuja, it's not good. Now what for you? If now you don't do you go reject the offer. Now wow. Mama people, no, it be like say the DSS, then do one for goat and fowl. It's made for me. It's made for you. It's made for us. We won't be the living thing. I need one for DSS. I take a picky mama. Abuja where you say you went out yesterday for her, so they say you borrow. As Monica drag you rich. If now you dey my position, go quick you send request. Go Monica platform. They say, no mind now. Precious men guys are we no. You don't go see where it go quick you climb up. Did I do it? No. That's how you know a 29 years old girl we get since past 50 years old woman. Make I tell you. No worry. I go play your cassette.
I know the best for Stacey ID for me. I know the
You say my mother called they cry, called my mother. People when my own for you go just shake head. My own mama go call they cry, they beg you. For waiting and go spend money put. If at all, my mother call they cry, they beg you. When he know the guy picking when he born. Now they talk oh. Now they talk.
I won't fed me, mama not say I don't tell. I want fed tell mama say see. Make a fair year with. So that if your mama beg, I will tell her say now the last warning. If your mama know it make.
Oh my battery. Hi.
Mama go train the picky way. If you don't train her way, if I hear my matter for road, I go to math again. The mama because waiting go make me say call the mama because mama na single mother like me.
Now I say they give yourself up because my mom is a single mother. And now what if I put her for this wahala? When make me put her for grass so they mash your head? Now what if make me put precious milk for ground now they mash your head? Imama na single mother. Imama na single mother. Sisi ya. Breaking news. All there. You want carry yourself now? Conjure say my mama na single mother. Mugu. Yeah, not true. Are you okay now?
Hey, mama don't give her home training.
See you where your mama give up training, precious Meg. Wait till make you both cook and Fanta. Comment section. Muna me ask Gary. Muna me ask Precious Meg, wetin make you wear the train where Boko can fanta you? Let me ask
Get
her.
right to tell me my own husband senior road.
Issue with my network is 2 days.
Yeah.
I can't get the rag, I don't get the post. Why do you answer me, Mama?
Nobody even mention her name, sir. Nobody mention her name. Nobody even talk to her. Yes, so nobody talk to her.
Even that one come say, if you no talk to her, she don't go even do video for you. Even that one talking. Say, if you no talk to her, she no go even do video for. Oracle, I bet that your iPhone charger na C charger. Ah, oh my God, my phone went off.
Even when they mention her name, comment section, even they mention her name. Mama Titi go they say, you no be anybody enemy now. You no be enemy. Even if you won't come party, you go come party, you go come big plate. Me, I don't say nobody be anybody is welcome. I say this one a celebration. Anybody can come. You understand? We can't even just they joke for them.
But what's up for me?
Just because I call Mama Titi.
Wait, oh, this woman they forget say, I get her 11 minutes. I be 7 minutes video where she take go contribute. She forgets I get time. This people, is it that after 40 years single mothers they mentally they disorder? Is it that say if you offend me, I get you, I hold you. You see, make I just let you know. You see the joy of they call now. This person till I die, I don't go fit answer that person for my life. If she like, oh, make she hang my toto for a platform, I will never. It's a covenant I make to myself. No be to God. Now myself I make unto. I will never. So I make it record this part. Personally, I choose them. Say never in my life will I sit down in a place like this and talk about that woman. Not in this life. Me, if I don't bullshit person, I dey bullshit them. Yes. All those on now my back the day. Until they reach my standard, which I know they will never be. My oh my love, God your kiss. Mine. Ay, alala. Me I beg give kiss first. It's not easy. As my brother, we good now with the kiss. Thank you, baby. So do you get? My phone don't charge. I not go answer. I not go answer because I don't tell myself. Say, I not go answer. Now let me shock you. You see, you Precious Meg. Because I know say you fit get waiting you go fit offer because you say your sister don't enter power. You want use your sister power for me. Now why I hold you like this? You see, I believe you. When I hear that word from you, say your sister, and I recorded it, and it's going to see at those states. I go buy tickets. I'll go plan for government house. Say your sister they power. Now the power you want use for me. Bet me. I mean you. I will play it in government house in Edo State beneath there. More bet. Should we bet? Do you want to really try me? Small body. Because I don't get big belly. You won't try me. Now the power you won't use. And that is why I'm here to let you know, say, use it. Use it. May your sister put call. Use it. Shall you get the day where you hang my picture? Eh? That your sister. Wear my slippers. May I kiss her. That your sister where the government has. If I don't hang a picture, you know say I not be. You know say not be me where you know. The day where I go say Precious Meg. Now you dey live video. Now you hang my own mama picture. Ah, Makashuku. She be now that your mama. Now you born the girl where the government has. You go see Chris. You go see Chris. You go see Chris. Your mama go die. My mama go die. Your papa go die. My papa go die. We share Gary. You go see Chris. What's that giving me?